Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to enable this cross-platform options in your Nintendo Switch. So for that, right, so you need to come to this options, click this options by pressing A. Here, right, you can see this cross-platform play for online. So I need to enable this by tapping this A button. That's it. Going back, I'm gonna play this in different online matches. So just tap on this find match. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please put the comments and feedbacks and maybe. Thank you. Bye.